And Dre Clark outside the courtroom in New York now. Dre, what can we expect from today's hush money hearing?
Markie, good morning. Former President Trump is expected to or set to appear in this Manhattan courthouse behind me on those criminal charges related to those alleged hush money payments made to porn star Stormy Daniels. Today, the judge will make two decisions. He'll decide if he will throw out the case against the former president or allow the trial date set for next month to go ahead and stand as it is. Meanwhile, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg charged Mr. Trump with 34 counts of falsifying business records in the first degree after a grand jury voted in favor of indicting Mr. Trump. This makes him the first former president in U.S. history to be criminally charged. Trump pleaded not guilty to those charges last April. Now, they stem from, again, alleged hush money payments Trump made to porn star Stormy Daniels, who says she had a romantic relationship with the former president while he was newly married. The so-called hush money was paid in 2016 in the run-up to the presidential election. It's alleged Mr. Trump's former personal attorney, Michael Cohen, orchestrated those payments to Daniels to buy her silence. Mr. Trump's attorneys filed a 57-page motion asking the judge to dismiss the case, calling the charges, quote, a discombobulated package of politically motivated charges. They say the payments made to Cohen were not for hush money purposes, but rather they were legitimate legal expenses made to Cohen for legal services rendered. This was the former president speaking at a campaign rally in South Carolina last night.
Every time the radical left Democrats, Marxists, communists, and fascists indict me, I consider it a really great badge of honor. Thank you very much. It's a lot of fun.
Now, Mr. Trump says that he believes all of these various cases that he's dealing with right now is nothing more than a well-orchestrated plan by the Democrats to try and stop him from running for president. Meanwhile, the trial date for the former president is set to happen on March 25th. Markie?
Yeah, a busy day for the former president, that is for sure. Dre, thanks. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.